Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. You guys hear Loki, he's in the background. He desperately wants to be in the room with me. Anyways, I have an IPSY bag today. Today's the December one. Let's go ahead and start it. And we have a really cute silver bag with a green detail. Pay no mind to my nails. Let's go ahead and get in. So, here's a little sneak peek. It's kind of full today. So, first things first. Next, we have this right here. It is a serum, which this would be like the first serum that I've ever used. I'm excited to use this. Next we have this. It is a Tarte product. It's a bronzer. It's a Amazonian clay waterproof bronzer. Oh, it's so tiny. And it's in the shade Park Avenue Princess. Ooh, it's nice. Let's do a little swatch. It's very light. This is going to be perfect for my skin for a bronze. Well, I might just use it as contour, maybe. It's got a bit of a shimmer to it, so I don't know, we'll see. I'm excited to have some more Tarte products. Yay! This is a product that I got to pick out, and it's just a travel size of their Pore Professional. I love Benefits Pore Professional Primer. This is amazing for my skin because I've mentioned that I have combination skin, and this works really well for my nose area, because a lot of the times that's where I have my problems, and that's where the foundation doesn't always like to stay. And with this primer, I went through it so quickly with the little like travel size, how much I used it. It's amazing. I hope one day to be able to buy the full size. We have a lipstick next. Very nice box, very shiny. It looks to be called Click Your Heels, and it looks like it's gonna be a nice red. Let's get this open. And here's the case. It's very cute. I like the mirrored. It is a cream lipstick. I don't normally go for cream lipsticks just because I like the liquid, long-lasting, kiss-proof lipsticks. So let's go ahead and give it a nice swatch. Oh, that is a beautiful, highly pigmented red. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm definitely gonna wear this, regardless of the no kissing factor. I'll just have to deal with that. And that's it. We just have the card that just tells us everything that was in there. Empty. I loved this bag. I'm very excited to try the serum. I've never tried the serum before. And then this right here as well, I love moisturizers, so whenever I get to try a new one, I'm very thoroughly happy. Hold on, I just wanted to make sure that all of that's in the shot. Well, there you go. We have it. I'm gonna give this bag of all stars, and I will rave about these items. I've already used this one, so I'll already put that up there. since we tested the Tarte bronzer, I will put a review on that as well. I liked it. It's very shimmery, so it might not work well with my other highlighters, my more white highlighters. I might use this only when I use my gold toned highlighters. And then this lipstick is so pretty. I'm definitely going to be trying it out, but let's test. How's the, oh, that's gonna come right off. So this is a lipstick that you want to wear maybe for pictures, or if you're not really eating much, or if you're not really kissing anybody, because I don't think anybody wants this transferred on to anything. Although it's very pretty, it's gonna come off. And yeah, well, thank you everybody so much for joining me today. Remember to live your life for yourself, do all things with kindness, and forever stay spooky, my friends. Bye.